Hello class 2, today I am going to teach you EVS. This is your 11th chapter. The chapter name is Plants Surrounding Us. You see, when you see outside, you see different kinds of plants and trees around us, nearby you. And these plants are very important in our life because the plant gives us different kind of vegetables and fruits and many other different things. And most important thing, oxygen. Plant gives us oxygen because without oxygen we cannot live. You know about that. Let's read this chapter. And here are some hard words of this chapter. You have to do these hard words in your notebook and learn these hard words properly. Okay, the first word is vegetables. Vegetable means sabziyan. Cereals. Cereal means wheat, maize, barley. These cereals are used for making flour, like wheat flour and different kind of flours, and multigrain flours. Healthy and nutritious. And next is pulses. Pulses means dal. Healthy means sauce. Nutrition means which is the good facts of the thing, अच्छी चीज़ें. Okay. And crushed means dabana, todna. And timber means wood. Spices means masale. And medicines means दवाइयाँ. Oxygen means जो हम लेते हैं, oxygen gas. Necessary means important. Obtain means प्राप्त करना. These are the hard words of this chapter. Let's read this chapter. Plants are living things. We depend on plants for most of our things like food, vegetables, cereals, furniture, etc. Plants are living things like us. You know about that in your previous class. You already learned about this. Animals, human being, and plants are living thing. Living thing can grow. Okay, and we depend on plant for most of our things like food, and we depend on these plants because these plants gives us food, vegetables, cereals, and furniture. And first is food. Plant gives us healthy and nutritious food to eat. Plants, we get different kind of foods like vegetables, cereals, pulses. Now see here the picture of, we get different kind of fruits, we get different kind of vegetables, different kinds of cereals, different kinds of pulses from plant. And these foods are very healthy for us and very nutritious, which is good for our health. Next is oil. Oil are used in making used in cooking and making soap. We get oil from plant, and these oils are used for cooking and making soap also. When you smell the fragrance of soap, what kind of smell you get from the soap? Different kind of fragrance, and because of these oils. We get different oil from plants like mustard. We get mustard from mustard plant, the seed of mustard plant. And coconut, we get coconut from this is the fruit, and we get coconut tree, coconut oil from coconut. And groundnut means मूंगफली. And when we crush the sunflower, we get sunflower seeds from sunflower. And when we crush these seeds, we get oil from these seeds. Okay, crushed means जब हम इस seeds को दबाएंगे, when if you have peanut in your house, or you have mustard seeds in your house, just crush it and see that you see some sticky and oily thing in your hand. The oily and sticky is what? This is oil. And timber means wood. Plant gives us timber or wood. It is used to make many things like door, window and furniture. Plant gives us wood, and these woods are making for different kinds of tables and benches and many other furniture thing. And spices is very important ingredient for making any kind of food, because when we eat these spices we get tasty food. Plant also gives us spices give special fragrance to the food. We add many spices in our food to make it tasty. We add different kind of spices when we make food, and these spices make our food tasty. And special fragrance we get from these spices. Cinnamon, we get cinnamon from, this is the bark of. And cardamom, this is the fruit of the plant. Cumin seeds, we get this is the seeds of the plant. And black pepper, this is kali mirch, we get from plant. Clove are dried flower. When we see clove long, when we see the long, this is like a flower. It look like a flower, okay, because it is dried flower. And we get these kind of clove from where? Tropical trees. And where we found tropical tree? Where the climate is hot and humid, जहाँ का मौसम गर्म उमस भरा होता है, वहाँ पे इस तरीके के पेड़ होते हैं, ठीक है. एंड दीज आर यूज टू कुकिंग, स्पेशली टू गिव flavor to food. And these kind of spices for making different kind of for making food, for making our food tasty. Medicines, plant also have a medicinal value, and they gives us many types of medicines. Plants like tulsi, neem, etc. cure disease such as cough, fever, etc. When we feeling tired, or when we feel cough or cold, we use tulsi. Nowadays many people are making kadha and use these tulsi leaves for making their kadha, and which is good for our health. And these plants are medicinal value, and these are making for medicines. These plants are used for making medicines. We get fiber from plant. Plant gives us fiber. Fiber are used to make cloth and different type of dress like saris, frocks, shirts, trousers, etc. are prepared from cotton cloth. Beside it is used to make curtain and bag. Plants, we get fiber from plant. And cotton, we get cotton from cotton plant. And these cotton are used for making different kind of things like sari, frock, shirt, trouser, and curtain, bag, etc. Now turn your page. Jute fiber is obtained from jute plant. It is used to make ropes, bags, sack, etc. When you see the rope and bags, you see that these kind of things are making from jute fiber. And we get jute from jute plant. And we get rubber from plant also. We get rubber from plants. Rubber is obtained from the latex milk like liquid of the rubber tree. It is used in making erasers, tires and toys. Rubber are used for making eraser, tire, balloon. See the picture, different kind of things making from rubber. And we get rubber from where? This rubber plant. When we cut the trunk of the rubber plant, we get some liquid like thing which is called latex, and latex is used for making these kinds of thing. And oxygen, the most important thing we get from plant, the most important thing that plant gives us in oxygen. All of us need oxygen to breathe, all living thing except plant, because plant gives us oxygen but they inhaled कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. प्लांट क्या है, ऑक्सीजन देता है लेकिन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेता है. ओके, ब्रीथ इन करता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. एंड बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स, दे ऑल नीड ऑक्सीजन. विदाउट ऑक्सीजन दे कैन नॉट लिव. एंड ऑक्सीजन इज ऑल्सो नेसेसरी फॉर बर्निंग थिंग्स. प्लांट्स गिव्स अस ऑक्सीजन, वी नीड ऑक्सीजन फॉर बर्निंग. अगर हमको कहीं पे आग को जलाना है तो ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत है. अगर कहीं ऑक्सीजन नहीं है किसी रूम में तो वहाँ पे आग नहीं जल सकती है. ओके, एंड प्लांट गिव्स अस गिव आउट ऑक्सीजन व्हेन दे प्रिपेयर फूड. व्हेन प्लांट मेक देयर फूड दे गिव आउट ऑक्सीजन. जब प्लांट अपना फूड बनाता है तो वो ऑक्सीजन बाहर छोड़ता है. विदाउट ऑक्सीजन देयर वुड बी नो लाइफ ऑन अर्थ. बिना ऑक्सीजन के अर्थ पे लाइफ पॉसिबल नहीं है. ओके, एंड द ओरल क्वेश्चन आर हियर. कैन यू टेल व्हाई लीव्स आर कॉल्ड फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ प्लांट? You know about that? The leaves are the food factory of plant because any kind of tree or any kind of plant make their food on their leaves. वो अपने leaves में अपना भोजन prepare करते हैं. Okay, and plant gives us healthy. Now here is some quick recap of this chapter. Plants gives us healthy and nutritious food to eat. You know about that. We get oil from plants like mustard, coconut, groundnut and sunflower. We get timber or wood from plants. Fiber are used to make cloth. Some plants have medicinal value, and most important thing that plant gives us oxygen. And here are the important word and key word of this chapter. When you learn this keyword and hard word of this chapter, you know it is easier to learn all question answers of this chapter. Okay, when you learn these hard words. Okay, do these hard words 2 times and 3 times in your rough copy and learn again and again. Okay, bye and take care everyone.